Frenchitivity, all over the world. This entire family creating possibilities, all over the world. Frenchitivity, Frenchitivity, all over the world.
We're all speechless right now as we are filming day 6. We are at Pebbly Beach, and I told you at the end of day 5, I said we would find kangaroos to be in the background. Well, how about the foreground? This is what was staring at us right now.
All right, now
they're in the background.
Turn it around.
Just kind of came around the corner. I think we surprised her more than she surprised us. But now we're going to tell you what's behind us here as we set up.
How do you?
Got Ev there. Look at that. That is what you call. That is what you call a lot of kangaroos behind us. Get in here, Mom.
I'm here. I'm
Scooch
here. I'm
in,
here.
scooch
I'm
in.
here.
Now
I have this little baby over here.
Getting a little close to us.
Very close. We're in their world.
We are definitely in their world. So day 6 coming to an end. Second night at Pebbly Beach. As you can imagine, just seeing the kangaroos and the one that's right next to us again. I mean, I don't know how to say this, but right here, just hanging out. Beautiful and a little, we're gonna zoom out a little bit here as we make our way back over to where we're at. So
with all these babes behind us instead.
yeah, we've had kangaroos everywhere. They're jumping around.
They're jumping. They just hop right through.
Just hop right through. So
One literally just hopped.
day 6 coming to an end. Australia's been awesome. Driving this motorhome, as Michelle's mentioned, this is the only way to do it if you want to see the countryside and see these type of experiences. So we got to sleep in a little bit this morning because we decided to spend 2 nights here as a bunny rabbit. Tearing around the corner.
Do you want to say one more thing about last night, though?
Please
I know we
do.
said
There's a bunny.
we were going to talk about what it was like when we woke up this morning, which we will. I want to say, though, also after we did our segment last night to recap everything, we had dinner and we sat under the stars. And the last couple of nights previous to that, the later it got, the more stars. It was beautiful, but we had some cloudy nights. But last night was clear skies, like 100% clear skies, and more stars than we have seen any other night. So it was such a beautiful, I did feel like, I mean, we were like 180 degrees surrounded by stars, and it was so beautiful.
Coming towards us.
It was.
Again, it's why you do it this way, because you just don't see that. And I was saying to Kent, like, this should be available to us every night. These stars are always here for us, and to really see them and enjoy them was really special. So last night was really special.
It was. And we all kind of needed a day to take a breath and enjoy where we're at. This beach is amazing. It's a small little cove, really just for the people that stay here and live here. It's really kind of a remarkable little area. But we were told not only do you have to go to Pebbly Beach, you have to go to Pebbly Beach, which we did. So we packed it up, got in the camper van, and drove to Pebbly Beach, which was
really, really bumpy.
It was really, really bumpy.
very bumpy ride. We did see a wallaby.
Wallaby.
We saw
wallaby in the wild.
several wallabies in the wild, but this one was a secluded dirt road. It was more tree-y than viney.
He made that up.
It was not that. It was nothing like the rainforest that we were in the day before. So we made our way through on this dirt road. We actually came down into this little
once again in a
canyon,
national park.
In a national park, and it was another breathtaking sight here in Australia.
The beaches are really cool. Like I said before, they're kind of in a cove, and so the waves are pretty rough. You see them coming in, but then that means you get to see that like translucent water as it comes up into the crest of the wave and crashes down. And it's loud and it's really powerful and beautiful to watch.
Yeah. So, and that reminds me, we did see a wallaby.
And there were a lot of...
Also, real quickly before I forget, we saw a wallaby at the Enchanted Forest that we didn't talk about the night before. So we've seen like 4 wallabies now.
In the wild, yes. And then as we walked out into the beautiful presentation of Pebbly, there were also...
Kangaroos.
Kangaroos.
kangaroos. Lots of kangaroos once again. So
Billions of them.
it's been full of kangaroos the last few days.
And bunnies.
Appreciating
And
their
birds.
gracefulness, how
And
they
ducks.
move, all the wild animals, as you do when you're camping. And what did you see yesterday? Did we talk about this yet? What did we see pop up? We saw a baby
Baby Joey pop out of a mama's pouch.
It was really,
That's
really
pretty cool. It was
Really
pretty
cool.
So here back tonight as we wrap up day 6 in our motorhome memories adventure. We got some provisions, do a little grill out here tonight, enjoy the ocean.
There's a baby right here, right now.
Enjoy falling asleep to the ocean, enjoy the kangaroos that are all over the place. And yeah, just a special family moment before we head to a very secluded area in day 7, out in the wilderness of another national park. But
Into the woods we
into the
go.
woods, no electricity, no water, just us.
Wait, where?
Just us. Just us.
Where?
We'll talk about it as a family.
But it was really nice.
Thanks for joining us
With the kangaroos.
here. Oh, today was also a dump day.
Oh.
You don't have to mention that.
Sign off in a different way.
Time for us to hop away.
Very funny, haha. Not.
There they are. Bye-bye.
Oh, the baby Joey's, yeah, his paw's sticking out.
He's like, wee! Oh, and his tail,
Bye-bye from Mary Beach.
Shell and Everly spreading Frenchitivity all over the world.
Got
So,
her last
Mama was sitting in her chair, and then she felt a little nudge on her hip side while she was sitting, and she looked over and she screamed as loud as a cockatoo.